What does the one world mean to me, and what have I learned from the previous 2 days? The first thing is it's how much as humans have disconnected from the natural environment. How are we still not leading within the business case or within the phenomenon that are currently happening, still leading with the old ideas in a new ideological world?
This week was something exciting that I've learned when we had like a motivational speaker here about one world, and some things that I didn't care really for. Like for instance, I always use a straw in restaurants or wherever I go, but this week something that was an eye-opener about it, to be more environmental friendly.
Okay, the One World, I think the first session was very enlightening, even for me that work with environment and environmental conservation. Realizing how far we've removed ourselves from our environment, and the fact that it is something that we feel is important for a short while when we can manage it, when we have the money to go on holiday, instead of understanding that we're a part of it and it's something we have to manage each day because we've changed it so much. So I think that was very eye-opening.
Okay, this One World course that we did with you, Jonathan, was just absolutely amazing. For me personally, it gave me an opportunity to think about the whole conservation world and the issues that we deal with from a bird's eye view. You know, many of these things we know. We know about issues. We can think of many solutions, but just to go and rethink and actually look at the results of what we are doing and reviewing the whole process in our minds and then discussing it like we did was amazingly valuable.